micro savings no na ye focus no eno ane ne se ye behwe adwadifo sebe enye sika kase ye Bank of Ghana nhihye mu no wo sika ese wo ma no ana bosia ese wo ma no eni se ebru 20,000.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Nti every 100 cedis 1,000 obi okra sebe ohia ne 500.
No dey na
dey. Say me ye bi no ye me ma obi 60 Ghana o de hye na adwuma mu. Da ho me ne aye ni jesam. O se ye ben menye midwotri. Na
60
Ghana o de ton ahwede.
Wo kono ni.
Kwa akoma no bi o se ompa biom. Wonya ni dwotri. Nti saa na etiye. Nti enam aye ikuo no. Yes, Bank of Ghana asen ama etumi eye sika korabia baatan no. Omo ama etumi se yensen hwe microcredit so Ghana ha.
Okay.
Nti aba ne se wuhia license. E ma me kire we mu. Bank edwuma no. Wuntumi nye abra wuni license. Ehia pa bebre no mama bosia.
Na kwa we teacher license exams aba.
So hope sa pepe.
Anya sa wudumi.
Sa pepe. Bebre no mama bosia Omanhene omuni license. Sabe.
No better na me hu se adwumako we ni license.
We bisa sam kase. Ye mpanifo ka bibi se ene de me start akaba mi wi se wo kwa abisa. Ebe hia se wo kwa akwaje busi o wo de usika ekoto ho no. Se wo hwehwe made. Bisa. Na ya me yibi emiansa. Wo check ya, say recheck na cross check.
Check ya. Recheck and cross check. Nyese ni pan ka se beji ana dimika.
Ye sebe ye ma me no mo ton ade wo dwemu. Obi okro nim bebi edi ni sika ye den. Eko. Eno ane ne se mobile bank na ba na watwere na watwe receipt ama no
osimetwa susu adane ni be enu hantwe obekoso okohe no onim bank na prabe onim ba bia fa okay
nti ye besre eye sika dwade a bisa
ko sika ye moja
Ghana regional office wo Kumasi ye wo banks bebre around sebe enye banks ni nyina so no na omwa license.
Yes.
Obi okro register general kwaje certificate ya osi oye bank ejuma.
Na se wo so mo be hye mase na mutumi train wo.
Eti ye kire ejuma.
Obetima akobusa se microcredit association sa adwumako we okam ho. Because okam ho de amomo regulating no nti mo be see to say oye ne ese.
Tisi abefo Adea Akye ye members ni nyina no last month ye publish your graphic.
Okay.
Over 600 members.
Omo qualify omutumi yes adwuma no
mabosia bebre no Omanhene no mutumi bibi tu omo mutumi ntu anamobi omutumi nko court because oni license sabe say your bank adwuma esika adwuma woni obinya asem na wo court na say woni license awokwa enye yi because wokwa yi baby so say wo license
asa na ebusa asem no kra
dangerous sika na wo yedan wo ton me kai say ya me fasa amfatu e wo bible mi say bibi esi na ye kire kwan ya befa so ye nye sika aye etuaka instructions aye de man na ye 5 o se monko monto net no mumbi abo nenum na sika hye ho na kire se sika sam no ye mfendi agro
o so ye adwuma
ese wo ye ho adwuma
na wo mo ani da ho so
sa pepe
kwa abo nenum de se wa mo ani ana ho a obeda bie na won don sakwa ko
abo no kro hu se nipa no kra na hye nimu no kra wantwen kra no pie ba sika ne de steps omu take yansa na omu yisika no omu ye adwuma be 6 steps ansa na omu take.
That's right.
Nti ye besre sisi ade nyina ye nim sane enioma akwaye wo bebia last week me nipa bi free London by o se enya agro ho nti ye besre ma wonindi sika no bebia
akakra na o de kokoto ba bi no enkoyira
sa pepe
ya hwe mo annual general meeting no nhihye ya ma hye na wotwi menim se emse no beba so yawada
aye nyame pa yawada no ye be dinner na what
yawada na ye dinner omo modern no mo be bom abaso
broni se bi mo distinguish your mo ho
eno no beba so he
eye rage condos
eno ye for members eno ye for general public for members all right eti exina ana jumedi na shase
ya chemu miensa
okay
first one no ye na ye friend no microcredit week
okay
na microcredit week na ye chekere nioma
okay
ye kire se na obekura sika wo ko bobusia obi wo ho a yes on sign bibi onim broni be content
no sign
okwaji loan say say onim say na ho open
o sign we house na me
broni be say na wa sign ne
death warrant
nti ene ne nchechira e ba be koso efri ndekosi ukuada ye kwa bantima market
eti echina mba wo bantima
yo china ye be wo bantima na de efe ne say I say sika ni apomuden sam no sisi ya no mo nantibom
no cre
nti ye chechire sene ye be kora sika ye be tutu ye sika no na yes ya hwe
health screening
ye health screening so free
oh okay
nyamencha de eja me bra pani Ozones Mr. Apia wa me yenduro bebre
oh okay Ozones chemist
wa me yenduro bebre ye de kwa bantima
okay
eye ochina
bantima dwom timo ne maamefo no mo kire bosia na so na mo hwe omo ene yade aba diabetes pressure lifestyle die basa wo mo so de e ka wo mo kese so mo ti dwom to obi ono otifako aduane bi e betwa wurawurafo ni nyina obetobi
sisi amukra no
amamura
omotifako sa
bankura emura wurawurafo no to obedidi sa so on sa anya exercise
obehu no na
akwa ehun hia pa se mo screening
na ye kofa doctors
oh okay
ye fa doctors bi wo konfo anochi nurses pharmacists senia ye yi no ya hyehye no nti doctor no wo ho ni nduro ni si wo pharmacist o trauma wa na ya pe bia yeden
oh beautiful
kama
beautiful
si senia meka no
from Tuesday no Wednesday
yes ya ko Santasi runabout
taxi drivers na wo hono mo ne
taxi omo
twemu ye yobia
ye wo ya sante wanim hwa
wonderful
kama yesre say ahodi ni wa wudi sikadwa enye ye nti e besre obi amra ye free yakofa doctors ekukudam nurses pharmacists omo hwe nduro no omo nyina beba enye ye ngi obia bibia
nti
yawada no enene you know dinner and awards
so but before then I'm told you
be akoye donation
okay
edweso besiansi ho say rehabilitation
okay
sabe sika no yanko aye ntumi ndi bi na ye no say yedi bi chekere
as a social responsibility
broni be say corporate social responsibility Omanhene mene wo kase enche yedi bi beba asantememu ha yesi 3 unit classroom block war in crime
okay
afibia no ye AGM ye bibika ho
okay
ye AGM ye bibika ho
okay
na de ye fe wo ye AGM mu ne se ya che oman no mu 4
okay
nti afibia ye ko baby
okay
next year ye ko takrade nti edu a western zone ne so no
ye de awesome
ye
okay
bibia mo nti ye 3 unit classroom block wa Masaman area ho sabe woni baby o chi na bi ugwa akopie e chere say school ho a baby betimi akọ
that's good
it is say na microcredit sabe ye gisika na ye say ye ma community no
so ehunu te dinner no de na no ye rich condemn the special all right if you ada no pano ani AGM
no no pano any AGM no nyamyadom nyamepa honorable Samuel Pine
okay
ordinary nyamba bata KMA yo ekukudam force or mabe join ministry Bank of Ghana development partners
okay
ti na chere say obi be say adagiri ni poso ye bebo ponko ahwe yechi djuma yedi na ne eda yenim no yenim say ne o mebebre na ekoso die na ye betumi aye na yetumi na yegina brani ni nyina nim say broni be say post covid no ne o mienu na ehia pa say ye baako esi yenye nimdie esi yenye information se wuni information sisi adia obekechire etoso mienu ese wo build the strategic relationships ehia pa
networking
nkwa mtumenye
that's right
nkute broni be se wo leverage nti sa anyo mani nyina na ye bedi hu komo nyame pa Thursday evening any AGM day no Friday na ya hwe ye nneomo na ya toto ye nneoma but before then senior mekan ye no omo so omo abo edwuma omo ahyehye omo nneoma yie omo sika sam
ene nya agrokra
sika no akoso no so nyame pa Thursday evening ye bebo omo abaso
enya agrokra
ya ye ntumi nya nneoma nyina wa bra media de enim nti nyame pa ye media for the fourth estate of the realm no omo abeta yechi de bia no me kai say last year ye ko Omanhene ye ko ahafo me kai say sika sam no say yɛtwe media no bam no moboan because nkofo bebre tie radio nkofo bebre hwe TV
yes
na sebe obi wo ho obetena okọ radio station na okọ TV station na o se odi sikadwa se media na ante sa no ma na si esenka first no kra bi sense na wo license to mi kra ta kra wo
oba ya o se we ne ya aso agagum na o ma bu grofo e ba sa ye ne amete ya me hosti
na wo na ye gwa
hey eduabo nyina ye bo
ye bo bi
go so wo na o kama ne te e na wo so agi wudi nti
Omanhene nti me by say Ministry of Finance omo financial literacy me beje egu ha me say wo mu a efa insurance ho efa investment say ade ba kokoro edi akote ne retirement
okay
anope me ba me cousin friend me ono no wo insurance mo say me kai say retirement ye nche ye beko enye edwuma sa
to busa sa wasiesi wachi
u siesi wachi ba
okay
it ye just anu me nyina ye beje wo ma na wahwe kakra na wadaro ma
me meja bia from this obi ba no so de asia me da sepa
bia nso ye bi na ye nhihye nyoma na nyoma nkonanim ma na banking sector no nyina bra
nyina ba ne the name is lawyer Ebenezer Kwoti, executive director Microcredit Association omo kumase na otwi nyina na dwumadi omo de no nti ekina bantoma for my hey hello somotemenka omo ba na omo ne ma boss ukuada na omakwe donation ntimi nim se na awotwi de mo betin sem bebre enya hanko a other stations so mo betin komodi omo de nti ekina sa literacy on finance no financial literacy no we are bound to my person obobosia ya made bia obi a abrabo no confidence ke ba nyame fa ne crancy o say eye bosia bo modern born empire bo the three boss unya kabo mu a obrabo be sie even nyame nka mo pa na ye be din kobo Sompa so ye dam asese mo ba no okay enti ebe na wote ne nka no nyame adom akina eno mo dwumadie no ehya ase pa enaminim so omo ye ntotoye ni nyina ye be kasa God bless you okay ba ene wonu amu ofia wo ofia yeah ono ejrebo ba yanko
oh my guru ne lucky by your hospital.
Oh okay
no by any pan samu bebre bi tihwi chemu ne ade je omuru office no obisa say na doctor nipa bebre bi obede no makona bibidura ya mfa kase ya nhye ne nan mu no ebede na yeyi na minimum say me de me school ni ye de dade na hye
kase mu ansa na
ana mziguru ye ha de ahaban
ana hye
to so no se dia asanwanwa na o kana sa no ehwa no se okay ye nkwohwe se na ebisi no one Dr. Lucky gina ho na me kire kase ne ye bibia ndi e kire na otwe se ayi amaame ne baaya no no ne na e no de twa anwom no se enye nwanwa
nwanwa
se bibini de ahaban na broni de kase e de dade e ne toa enan no.
My goodness.
Enti sa asem we nya nwanwa
nwanwa it's all over. TikTok am for the year juwa pa.
No person say ye kan abibidura na ye kan de a ye Genesis ade eye fritititititi ade na bebre dwene se broni maaya no na ye nyare na ye nananom yare dada na ye nananom pomuden ho ka na ye nananom tumi didam ye nananom tumi nya hawo ne amane ewo omunompeni omunkase ho but enne Nyankopon adom Dr. Baba se ade bi ye wo kase ne udompe de se wo de san ye ho a na je se wo kotu usika no e na atu aguo ede nti na me ka na sa akere wo ma me ti asempe yo so obi kase ana ni no mpemu bu no wanyo obi anya ni yi a wo nan na asabsabe na etene no etumi short enti wakuta sika na asabsabe wanya dem die kakra ana wo na mu abu ana okotoje ye wo ya no waso sika na akwa makwabrane oman na kwabrane na asa short wo nan ma na ye 350 wati wo dama wie eti na me bo kokko aka kire wo na no pe ya wo tie me ne se ye dompe ne kase de a doctor ba ko pe wo se wo di wani kire ne ya doctor ba apart from Dr. Ba no se ye nompe ene kase ne wa mfa ma ya so ye ya wo ko tu sika atwene ni sikuma se ye wo atonsu agogo government hospital na nimu ha wo de duru abusa ma na wo se o ba ana Dr. Ba obi ya be kire.
That's right.
Mr. Uduru Accra ya was Spinters Road 18 Junction.
Okay.
Uduru Spinters 18 Junction wa busa taxi for na wo ho no. Obeko no mo she ba t-shirt. Cars no nyina wo ho nyina ababe 200 cars no wo ya banners ya t-shirt ni bibia na she wo. Wo busa wo mo se ye adwuma wo ban. Edi enti na otumi gitum se wo ye adwuma wo ban. Adwuma papa. Ene ayare sapapa o mahunu nti no. Maame ayenkunimde e de ama wo bia. Ene wutie me wodwonso ana mogya wo bemam wo ya no hwienye ye de rubber hyem wakobe ye bosomi nsia still doctor ni ntumi yi rubber no mesra brane amwa na doctor na ye ya ne de ne yemfa ye de ne nka ho na ye de ka ho a bibia be ye nkunimde e de ama e de enti na wo se wo di wani to ban so nienti wo se wo di wani to ban so e wo cancer na abedi wo bemam na se abedi wo nipadua mu ne se buy expecta o ma wadura acha ye na woche 3 days Johnson na man ebe furu but my number ni 0244 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 wo fra e baba Dr. Ba so ye na nkomo bie wosie ne wodi biara no ye beto ye bonu wadi edi enti na wose wodi wani to ba so anope e fa hin no wasiesie ho a wokọ ma me hwe ne yankodaada wo edi enti na eni kwanse ye daada wo e wose wo mo wani e da ho because aye bi da wo ho a de bia me ka kire se nyam be kire wo de ne kwan wo de ne ko ba bia enye yi enti se wanti asem ya ye kenya na se nyankopɔ bu se Ezekiel se Ezekiel nti no mpene nkasa ebetumi anya kwa o se urade wo nko na
onim
na ye ba santefo ngoma mu a chapter 1 verse 2 o se wo no mpene on nkasa urade de ni nyina ja Dr. Ba se Ghana ha no wiase nyina no ye ne enhwe ma wo mame nkyere wa hintasem bi unu se wiase nyina mfimfin wo Ghana ha
yes
enti no de Dr. Baba bedua Ghana ha se ye ne enhwe wo nompe ne wo nkasa so enti se ho bi to chema kotodwani su kakakakra wakoye so spinal cord no ho awe sasaboro na ha wo e de na etete wo e na wo hunu ne ya wo ya wamfo ani ankyere ba okoto uzika agu na unim asem bi yewum ye wie ye na ebehye mu se se wanhwe ne yie na se wo de won kasa esam no kodan obi na maami oji usika na anyeye na obo ne dua enya no
hwe
because e ya de a onyankopon asem ya twere wom antoa ya danse kwaku free ya danse se ye twere ne ye twere hye mu se wodompe ne o kasa ho techema afa ko ba na wa ya so den na ode ne number bi ebe de na yeyi amawo mesraw ebedi wodam sati asama me ken bi ma me ne ha adwene pa wo nipadua ho ne se wo be sore anopa na utwa wo kon ntwa wo nsa wo pege mpega wo nan wo tini mu antene ayetiti
madam kon so wo da
stroke wo be de na wo da kon so msumie sen ko na wo da so ma me nkase yare na na ha wo no fo wani kire ba expert ne yanya mawo na se ya me wo me hospital ma me bi ba ho ayro ho sama wo ho so sini sisi eno wo se ne babo nti asesa ne kunu utwam akola ne nti asu no papa no koti aso enye se wo kum ne yire no onim se wo tietia aso ama na yeyi ama na ga ma me ne wo shampa bo akora na mpabo ne frita onte enti me sra dompe ne kase ho asam a ye ken se wantie na wo prim akoma ma me wo bokwa akodi wo ho dam obedi wo ho dam obedi wo ho awu mesra wo ho hiaye enti na sompa fidi kekra kei omo se bambe kankase enu nompa asam nkyerɛw ye pe no mama ye kwanse ye mbeka kankase enu nompa asam nkyerɛw enti se wanti asampa ye kenya maame obedi wo ho awu obi tie me ne de ye kompo ye frɛ no gweta ena wo ye wo ho hwie nyeye ba de wo nye operation o de aduro no mawo na wo de akofra aduani adi ne keke me se be free ho fibroid na ha udofo bi na dwene mu kana asam anya asam bia no watwese kan ene aba na odi ibo obi so mesra wo hia Dr. Banapɛ ono ebetumi aboa wo mesra ebia wo de ne ye twere yare ene etete wo e de na edi wonya oba na odi ni pie nyeye yesi ebi bibi di nsuo ba nkrofo na e kasa nsuo wo ba wo na me ba ma so ye de me nje saa de no ntum ebia ne wa wo bi otwa no ho kure ntwa oye no ho hwie nyeye e ya wo ye mu nsunsanso ni bi e na ato akora no so me srawo fo wani kire ba so ye be boa ma akora na sore anante na de na etete wo ebia ye se obrebo ho aka anasa yare be na edi wonya me srawo hia Dr. Ban ye be boa ama wapom den sam no awie peye ya so ye wo physiotherapy wo ho ye physical massage wo ba ma kama ne mema o masisi o mo massage ama kasen ba bi ento ye nyina betuto yi ama
kama
mesra bibia be kama enti se wo tie Dr. Ban no pei anase na se wantu anamo ma ya so ya maame ye wo so ebia afidie de ekodo ho Ghana me ba kra na ye fresirim eni ba bia o ba no ebia wa ye wadwen sa fe na akọ han hotel sem bi anim wo ba ye waso ya I wo so ye be mo wada na yesiesie wo ama nipadua no aye kama wo hia ba hia wo sa wo betena se maame bi kotodwe o se mi kotodwe no na be kume maame wo yemfom so na kotodwe ni koche wo koto amoche bo bebo no wo kra awere be ho amoche bebo ama wo kra awere aho edi enti na wo awere be ho ni enti amache we ka kire na se wo ba no na ban wo ho esa nompe ne nkase yare ene wa ya so den ene du wa ba beduru ho enkwaje enye wo de ye heaven no enye wo de ya because one further that one for nompe no nkase am bedan ba
that's right
na chese wo ha wo ho mpacho me number ni 0244 988 004 988 004 mpacho ofra ebeba ya so ye komo bie wosie ni wudi bia no ye no betena se adi nkyerɛkyerɛ ne mboa bie wo se baade boa obi anso no ye beboa ma bibibia ayenkunimde Dr. Sebu
Pastor so na ye peja emu.
Kakra bi so ye tempani force enwuma da ye tini wura no. Doctor na akasa na akasa ne dai. Ne wiase no ye say o we de opa de akọ asante kotoko no ye nya na bro. Mesra wo ye kire wakwanya. Ayemo wakwanya ba bi a obesa wo yare. Eno na ya na ye kire wo. Enti ma me papa ne doctor na akasa wie. Enti say ye yale enko ade wo yale enwo aduro no one doctor ba. Enti pa daje nanya bre nanya didie na fo ani kire doctor ba so ye na fe yale na nkede wato aye kwankra nkrofo se ani aduro e wa asase so no wo ba beto doctor ba wo ba kire wo say yale bi e wo wiase bia no doctor ba benya ho aduro e de ama yare akọ enti se wo yare e wo dompe ne nkasam ni nipadua mu a ba bia wo so de ba e doctor ba je number no ne mfa kasa ni nyina emra wie
that's right
number no e 0244 988 004 0244
988
004
08
34 82 me pacho sa we Dr. Ba ye wokumase atonsu agogo Government Hospital kese no na chi ane yewo enkran so ye was Spinters Road 18 Junction me pacho fa yale nyina beda Dr. Ba ne yenhwew na kofie kokase enwanwa ne wie na se yale ni nyina kwa de enkrofo nyina patie aye ba oh my anopai
ya me kamo care prekase powder anua no na je se obobo bi na wo na wo sene no na care prekase powder dia na ye wo ye nipaduam e dia na ye ma yen wa sojafo na wo nipaduam no ekeka no a mo ho ye den enti malaria nom ne yade num bia enti ma immune system kofuma e ba no wo mo be ko atia heart diseases wakoma yade wo ho palpitation se wo bo utumika ana nante kakra na ebo peri wo ha na wo nan ne wonsa aye titiriti bu hono ma wo ne nyinsen ye noa no onya prekese prekese powder ppp gu ne nkwan mu mano a ni moja no ye kama onya anemic da afei high blood fat and cholesterol nam nintirimu na ohono ma timnani su timi brinu no atwa hwe sa de ma ni nya ye pressure na sugar so prekese powder ye benya bi obo herbal clinic ado atodumanu Danny Herbal Mbrom Apidank Missy Herbal KNG so atonsu over fresh 0249 761508 0249 761508 and 0257 472506 0257 472506 chocolate luxury yaba kumase chocolate luxury. Yeah, the answer say yeah, chira kwanya wodi mombo 500 Ghana cedi and 1,000 and 2,000 was wa. What about sending near ma ako China? Now I call crown near free China at the comfort of your momo, your home, your office. Won't far playing Kobe bia, won't go that hotel bia, ukuta momo. Kwanya be fast di momo Accra near free China diaba 5 days to 6 weeks now bedu bronya never know tika if you want to be a businesswoman on your phone chocolate luxury yeah be Kumasi packages ahodo clothes hair jewelry diapers adebia opesa okra in wholesale and now retailer yeah be boa Jemai was here chile one out to me here eno and I will register 500 Ghana cedis na wo enya certificate snacks and drinks a chesa to me crane mama ni ye na nyame aduma 27th and 28th October and a jumade ebaso 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. 27th and 28th 2 days and ye did jume no do pepe no mienu ni apon na oko akoye de opeso ye bia and 500 Ghana cedi no free 0535 017821 0535 017821 0535 017821 and a 0508 931 230 and Tenefi Kasemi 77 me Juma Bako and multiple streams of income is necessary for everyone. Canberra International School Jim of Tofiwa from Crash Copim KG2 now Bora Canberra and Abo say Obaba School and Pa the environment is serene compound in a song Kola toys ahodo agudie bosu omudibia LED screens edichiro madie na treche for musunim de omakwadere adesua mu omashedenya early learning wo mo na omakosuku akosua anche so omunim de abadaye wo hotema wo ho enti oba no ye wo sick bay akora ne ho shia de be kwa akoma na duro kama akora ne ko weyin tamre ne do afa ne bra ye ne de be ko weyin chese ye niam bebre enti no Sompa baby do bako square Canvero. Ye ni actually cry. Chronom quapra heya. Eben wisdom and aquapra him fee. For 0240 693 720 0240 693 720 Canvero International School building the future leaders. Hebaso company. Hebaso. And one is a wanya Hebaso capsules. Your premature ejaculation. Adea man penasafo. Mr. One ba won paso was yes in ho de anigi aba o da ho no ma say wo say ya wona wate ade adan a mawie ha ani che bi obebu wo sere wa kiro abufuo bi pa wo de be sori akọ wo frɛ no mo obu out office esika wo de tuasa obi su ba wi ama je heba so premature ejaculation away low libido and I will use so more on yatinka and overco. Am I way day? Waste space, low sperm count, Nina da hebaso. Now, criminal. So, Tiffos is a 2 on my ejaculation or my jaswache, never be a cost of summer stamina. I don't think that may come from out yet a quaba mal mixture. Some malaria symptoms and signs in Nada, tiredness, weakness, headache. Oh, no, my bed to us here, no free hop. Now, hebaso alaba. Zongo hine feature wa obenya bi Samson abo baba kompa obenya bi Ankran new fadama ye wo Medina Zongo Jackson so obenya ye e wo ho no mo ye no man ye 0244 634024 0244 634024 and a 0548 666 600 0548 666 600 near Demua near Kwa ni say ye kwa no Dr. Mensa oh akowie say abrantie bi wanonom nuboniya magisia fani trim ne kasa ne bibia Dr. Mensa se fa ne bra na so ye eya haban wodi go aduane mu ma ne dia beti na ni su say wan obo onsa wa bibisa wo tro ne sa the kidney nyina mpo ya say ye ewurate Dr. Mensa jifo ukọ no mo no ma watuna Sameng Rexman eya adwene mu edro imagine did maintain more adwene mu bie obi wa asisia oh adwubi je number no 0244222222 o da wani a pacho obetuma bobo number ni bio adwene ne nkoyi enti no ane se obenya cement correctment powder ye wo kochi head office no ye Guinness depot ani ndi twa ni mu na bibia akoso kama e de amaw koforia kasoa enkran takrade sunyan se vidwina se dunkwa no fe goso edwara kopim fiada no nso kopim no num memre dan kwasiala so no nso kopim no miensa 0271 173551 0271 173551 and 0245 958 768 0245 958 768. Canada Digital Satellite from 70 inches to 35 to 60 to 70 to 75 inches. Curve Smart TV. Ni nyina obenya bi o Canada Weber television there fako down. Ye de TV bi aba double screen esi o pan pim what did that dear crab empire tabletop fridges, chest freezers, deep freezers, microwave ovens, kettle blenders, washing machines. I would do the industrial hormone, your sewing machine, the industrial fufu pounding machine, the commercial, and a popcorn machine, gas and electric. What they would this all do any actual Kennedy for home appliance, quality and affordable. We a government worker who seek and control accountant general. Ubetuma Virginia Maloni at Titum Kakanka cra. Your number no 0244 385128. Wafe 0244 385128. Samson Abu, we are Family Plaza building, first floor, Boss FM in Channel, Kennedy Digital Satellite. But Tatasin so Adam House building now, Pure FM, a dining one, Obohuya Holmo first floor. Your number is 0244 385128. And can wage your old barrier, Kokrobite Junction. Traffic lights Nasia 0244 385136. 0244 385136 and 0244 385128. Onyamin Kaho, so wako people Kennedy Digital Satellite. Wafe! Now what to say?
Onyam compound dom ye kurikurim.
How do you get it? Baba, Bibia, a color no is shiny, kama, Ijraso.
A year no so free.
A year no so free. Yana, ye go. Ah, they.
See, I feel I'm feeding me.
Yeah, Fibiana, they. Oh, you could not. Who you could not? Debbie. No, oh, mammy. Oh, Munyasa. There be our man is soon. As I dreaming now, quiet to say,
Yakurano cry, we are no him. Aquadrofo we are a piano pa.
Oh, you know, I am mammy a year where you go. You go. Oh, yeah, mammy a year where you over my. Yes, can he be? Na ya dear be a common. A war and can quadra so pa. Nana say crady and come who be a chepa. Adea Ben, Mete, one some swatch, Bruni Freno, her double Wednesday tears. Hey, Brupita sem making. Brupiti. None a prophet is a
kitchen pox.
Chicken.
Ye.
Chicken pox. And your kitchen.
Solly. Miss Remo. So I said, with tea being catch a papa. When him send and say, you need to pa.
To be sure, be it.
Na chicken pox. A lady no cry, the money you when they say. And quadano in wumpie ya na gu yam
and so they could
hey swanya dokutenia
especially measles in such chicken pox esie e pie yara kwala ni wo akose ne yam ne ma
me kura yam say my confuse dia me pesa me ka
measles and tenchem
na me say enya no na ye kitchen
there be no ye measles
and name into Minka. Mistress.
Mistress, why are they?
And I make come once.
Measles.
A good accordium. Not of fear. No, yadi.
Why we have a man in malaria and run sound.
Mrs. Wanya Docutenia, or born homo dinner, one real better over. When you be bound who so not send yam near Minina. That's what I'm at. Intinan saying,
that's a measles, a cat. 6 killer diseases so not that as I unity sir and I see a vaccine no more be one
and minimum po me say enkwada mienu bi edo mo ba grace gifete egu yo ni nua ani di odi na chire
I so
a chire say wo mo achini grace gifete ni be hu no na ye wodua bia ye di tu saade na sen tentem ye de mawa akoda ne nom ne nya kogunu yem na osa sane bia na fe pie
ni dipaduam
honam nani
na ne ho ato no
enye pie di ana chesa ya sa no aba no
ne ye de besrasra so
na mebodua ne de memfa no mese no anyway no ntu
ofafa tudwa
enti se bia wo ho nkwada no fon na ne tea pie no ofie ne ho ye hehehe
na se ba sa shoot mi gina no so na sa fa no ko grace gift
fa no bra grace gift na ye hunu ntrekese no ama se ya che no le to adedi o de ba ya ne nyina se beto no nkyere se e bia yensa ya de hodo da ye betena fidie so a ye se me boya de dene enam apomode ne mra ne nti ye de yensa no ne yi ato nkyɛn sabiu mfradu asakwata tetuwa babru mu ya de yensa obi ewo ho aduro na ye grace gift de ye ntime mwa
okay
afei achacha sesi wanim eno nso so yensa enifra atwam mfie dunu mu kro no eno ye ntime mwa ana emum silence eno nso so ye ntime mwa ana fei obi a wa kwadworo ana sabio brother fu
ye de
Jimmy eno nso so
mo ba numbers no fa
ntime sra ohwim ana obeba ohwim suku nkwantana so ye ne suku Johnson no so ba Sofia kwa no so ana ba de
kasi kwa no aso
ohwim suku kwanta usi busa glace gift a obia be chero ana nu atwemota petroleum ye ne family love nkwada suku na brofo kwa na omoka no ye no omo ne hwe animu ye no omo ye copotis family love international school nu atwemota petroleum
mo no omo ye de
composite
anu ofak
Dr. Glacy ahedwumase na sawa winim o se Sompa ye tam be na se no wotwe o se ye no wotwe Mr. Dr. bo ho bra o se ye afedi mbeduru ha no se no wotwe ne de abiti no
abiti no a
me ne won kasa na wotwe se na wotwe mu kura wonya tokuru bim de ne ha
so no ada jibo numbers no o tie me se wada wo
o ko hwim ntimonye salo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
salo
00
tele salo
30
salo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
salo
00
tele salo
30
ana salo 246
0246
518 salo tele
003
salo 246
0246
518 salo tele
003
na ajubi so nim toburo
Omanhene nti de ye ka de say Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services aso de say de ofadi ka kai no ade bi ebeba bi a obeyi ni tibia no entempa so ni ya che no esan say ye ntena ho ma yare enku nipa enu nti ene ye wo ho se ebeboa na etu ohaw na se ede ama na ye misasa sa ntoburo yi eden na de ba eye virus bi na sa virus no Omanhene baabi mienu pe e na omota atena woni padua no sebe wo hwenim e na wo minim sa bia mienu yi e na sa virus no omotena enu nti se obi wo sa virus no tobro ni bi egu na woni widiem na wonim a sebe obowa obu a nso obowa na bia yi kakra anaso se bia nipa no enwansi a onwansi a efiri ni hwenim na bia ato ananso se wokasa na bia sebe ntasuo bi efifiri nanum ba enti se enya bas enya pie ba virus no esanse nipa no obi na ntasuo anase wonwansi na ade na pie abontinti no ebetimi agina mframa mu afodon hwe baako
so ate
1 hour na aboa no ano njoye ne powers na no njoye enti se obo wa no wa ha obi o wa ha bia no before 1 hour no obi o ha bia betimi enya sa infection bi enunti na ma ne sai no enti se nipa no wansi a esanse gina mframa no ma 1 hour don hwe ba ko nti no obi a oban bia na eno so mframa no unse mframa de ho akwa akiri enti enamu na se hia na virus no emoa na no njoya the possibility say won so benya bi no e high enti saa na ade we no etie na obi bebi sa say eno saa no den na nipa no beye na ne titiri nso ade akwan ba kwa ma no san so sai pa ye say obi a on say wofa na o kasa nuafo mienu a omanya
nuafo mienu
obi wo ho no mabusua bi wo ho a omo ta adware e hye sapo ba ko tawo ba ko obi na tare kra onu atare omo fa hye wo fa bi ya no de aye ne ho enti se obi wo bi na se wo fa na sapo di dware pe o dware wie wo fa ya e be nya wo e na wo ne da se nso na ebi aguna ni hum fifre na na se nsuo no kan ho pe e be saa osesi a enti se saa na saa ntobro no etie enu nti kwa e be fa so e be sia no ne se esanse saa virus no se obi wo bi na so obowa onwansi ana so okasa na se bi a drops no eba forma ejina from amu don hwe ba kwa na se 1 hour ansana virus na no adwono nti no eye se obi e bowa se wonim se wo bi se wonim se oni bi na wo so de ade katawa no
that's what I meant
se bia wo gina abonti ana se wo fie kura na se wo nwansi a na no so wakatawa no se be ya ade no entimi
inside
enti signs and symptoms adadi no eye bebre kwa dia eye kase persevere one pa ye general body pains na no no e ba Omanhene anya normal pains eye wo joint joint pains
the malaria be say
ene ne se but no no ye severe one pa obon say waposo kotodwe ni wusisi twu kese pa
ntine man kwala ne yemre
na ma omo yemre no obon say na onum ankasa na ye hyehye na body ni nyina ye hye o chese hu ye hye pa abnormal enya normal one enti e basa no hu say eno na ekoso eno obi so ono abon se edi kan eba nani so na abofra nani ya kokokokoko ye pani kra na aguna na nani koso ya no bon se na ye ko enti se ye ko sa no ahu ne ntema epie ya apene eku abofra no
esrewa bomo na so de ne
enti sa o ha we koso how de bra grace gift eno ma eda di na ye bebre kwa na branding ti no ye bo no tofa ye bo de ye major ones na sebe ya obon se ne enti ye be stress
se ene kafro ene kitchen chicken pulse no ameka ni nyina ya busua ba ko
ni nyina
we no taye mpanyini na we ne ye nkwadan kuma edua no a ye di tu sa ya de ase na medi nka kan ne brofo de ne no he doboro honest day tears what the battery mo ye kwekwe ne suo dua bi wo ho menim so atene de ne da kwekwe ne suo na duro pa no na ye de ade bi ka ho ana edeye na afidie so no emra makwa mo sa ade
okay fofana no to so bio na empeja mu
ofra ye be kire ntemu mra ohwem suku nkwantana so eye adwuma da bia ye ntum friju ada kosi kwasi ada no pa no nwotwe ekosi anwumre no onum ana nu atwemota petroleum enkramemu selo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32 244
126 12 tele
123
oman asemi da makuma sukuma bi ka kira aman mam akufu ado na wa hwa de atore nchem besi man
ade
sei uduru kotoroka wiemuhyen be ahwa na hwe nipa yetu kwan no a ye mankuma weenum ma ne mema de mo fra no yupu no wo mo nyina so aye hu kogu aburochire enkanka ohima kuromu ho
ana kana
Elizabeth kuromu ho na calendar se de omu si kono na se nkwada ye de omu chechire man akufu ado penso nkwada nyina etu kwan asewo hwan na obeto aba ama onye hu birebi
yo mate okay wofa adisa de ode to na nanim no yabema na na so ate kwada no dwane omu dwane ne de ano aye se papa a day dwane you for mu free Ghana e kwa banane you have no idea airport on mo na o ma say twa picture na ode nyamenyum bia to so chese nyawrade abireki through habano yes nipa no bia ho so na okwa akwaji ni hira PV Jantoa PV Trasi Yemon Kobo na Yemon Commando Penna Mesra utie me anopai asem we hia me bronya no abɛyɛ anesa and then 23rd by 31st you run November more we are in Christmas and so as a hon tete kra mo obia so ayehye but the minim say Bible say Macedonia for Oma wo ye hia brem ene ahokyire mu no oyibi man ene boy ema ne esefatai wo se eto oman no na Paul ne nkrofo tim de ye adwuma na omunya de ye eno nti eho abehia se bronya we ma ukrani bi so nya dai ene nye ma wusia bi ne ajanka bi ene nye Sompa se ne me fe ne sompa kyede afi atwa mu oh onyame dan ne ho adi soronko oye ne ma pi enam sompa kyede so ma nipa bebre e de anigye ene ahosepe ena ekofie wo so o mutu abie wo so anigye se de down akoma so opese awrade ye ma no awrade ye afi na drubie wo sompa akyede aba ya dana di ya pa ho ntoma e de na wo de beboa ukrani no eye wo ntoma ntoma no so be ma me no mo ba ha kyese obi ene wo de ntoma afrete bi wo ntoma mono kyea ho obu anu asade sika so api so enne ya di momo number no atudwa eye 0598 0598 559802 0598 559802 said ya beya also betma say edin ya beba no ye Tara1 Media Sompa ya yenhye no say saa de we bronya no bedru a enti nyame ya adoma 1st November we ye kurani a betwero wudin 1st of November betwero wudin 21st December ye de saa kyede be che ye maame nom ne papa nom a womo eye kunafo no na bibia koso kama bomoden na me sase wontudwa ekunafo ni bi suban bi amoda na die nyame anim ni enye oba kotro ni di wo radio station so be adwuma ni nyina edu office Sompa no kwa adai mame adai we sakra nyame ani nyi Timesrew saha na abetwro din baabi na akotwro din ba miensa asanan nya wonko na de hia mesre mu ne die so enuti ne yesem metwro mu din me maame no bebre aba me nchen a omo ye kunafo so omo de entoma ne sika ba enyo obia na ne owo sa ahoden no ti wa ahoden na bia wo ene o maame no papa te ase obusua bibia kama so seed we fa boban ma obusua so seed fa boban ma wo ma boban ma wo djuma number no is 0598 559802 sika sign now pe kabibi say give your seed a work to do 0598 559802 sompa achede na nyankopon so ebehwe osompa osom ye no se wo che okurani bi ana mobrohunu bi no ye pe emo anwa sardine geisha corn beef ene niema edi ye betimi di ache no fabra na safo ruade so ebekọ mo ano hia nyame hira passport to sa na mo no my man PV Jantoa me mo ache mo akwaba
why me joso
you be able call there always looking sharp and good, you know. So Anna, the evergreen, energetic, and vibrant young man. Finance committee, your face here. The auto swallow just say easy. He's a banker. I don't want to say former banker because he's still in the banking. You know, he's a member of parliament for Efija Kwabre North, the youngest MP. Our PMO of Efija Kwabre North. And penny for Kosi Omanhene Yaw. So ko hu se kanda pa akusi da nan na enye ize kura na branch so he happens to be a nephew of Kandapara, just say Busiano politics in a womb. Collins Adamako ne pom to say. Bibiabo call. Okay. Edobadia se pa. Anope. Mene chama dango ma twi etwetwe nkomo. Chama dango ma oko one of the constituencies. Sanaregu constituency. Chama. Now say Canada Japan be try to no so. They see here there. Your friend no. Yenti.
Kennedy ba of Antokwa family constituency. Kennedy of Antokwa fa North Yemi constituency. Kone dora di jeni na. Nari jin bebia wonam no o Antokwa because o kase chairman sinu chairman mu nyina biaji brand new pickup any 1.8 billion. Kennedy see Dr. Bawuyama chairman biaya 1.8 billion any brand new pickup. Asante ya ukaninya na kole obua. So me constituency ni time ya oba ni sana oka. Maka chile ni se unya abotire yesa. Dr. Bawuyama ma me pickup ana 1 billion ana 1.8 billion. So unka na kole mani mpano. Unka ana kole amani mpano. Asante ya ukaninya ana kole. Yesa di amba show you down. Sana me kanchiramu. Mene mpano time ya me kanchiramu sana me boys no atake kena Japan. Ntuko pepe apa all. Full session no omuse obabu kena Japan because me kulum no dia nim se jibiana ne security dia me personal life no am dia o kasano ma sore no what na my go take kena Japan na me nimpano prepare apa atake kena Japan na me kwa na me take Kennedy no na me kwa police station prepare police station 144 police station security ne what dia ba Kenya Japan security ne block me nya security be about Kenya Japan because I can be who catch any nya agro nya ba na north nya that time ka asamu security no what jamba boom try you down me do nya next time Kenya Japan who ba north in the kasa jamba show Kenya Japan who down who see over show be down me na me show you down me do nya
Chamada go mabu fupa. Say obetwa ntrato no so wo hene ba. Asa ne ma no ye ntie ma police station o se nye security ene so no mu anko no amu no ko be vim no papa. Ebi mu fi say da bia memre de be na wo twe MPP will be at the crossroads to take one of the most vital decisions of their party. They either make or break their party on 4th of November. How is it going to pan out? We are no free on ma. Okuja ta black wa. E dey asemi be 2 weekend no. Say the military deserted knocked akọ obuse mo almost say order from above. And during the weekend the social media has been another issue. Military for Ghana Armed Forces for the Krata Babontin say asembeni mepe hot mo no na ade ne kan ne kase enti nsuo no SCD enti omu hia boat a yes e friend speed boat because speed boat no eya adwuma o nsuo kase so na sesia no bato ena nsuo no asako ye kese wo nti wo the speed boat no ko eno ti na ma omo redeploy members ni bi ko nti eba ne say na abeto dwa say ya ma order from above nti o ma sese o mkuku no o nkaka connect sa they have an operational station a che so mo ho no ma omo eye adwuma nti ne nanka adan na opening kese no amebusemu na omo se o mekoso asom Ghana for na nsema akọ social media throughout the week ni nyina no nokra ba akokra anya dey enim MPP are they at the crossroads or is normal we are no free mo a omampani na danko akufuado na probo kobo wo akosombo ene ne important ho no north town a wo call ya wo baaye nsema fresh ene de beto dwa nyina ye dwene o man Ghana ho na yakoye nim ne abuse ho se sign ebe wie honorable Mami Sase free ho Northern region.
Good morning.
Kennedy Summer Causeway.
Good morning.
Morning, my brother.
Mr. Janto Asuso. This is the first time I'm Meshiano on set. And of course, I am a 30. I'm a 30. Mostly on Facebook.
Open life too much. Sabrant, Papa.
Oh, a gentleman.
Me who's my friend. Oh, he's a gentleman, dear way. Oh, yeah, now.
A JBB, I agree with, but that's the beauty of the
aye.
But of course,
also fire so the new guy.
He's a
nice. I mean, so a marriage counselor said they will see a Friday morning, Papa. We only you this guy.
And know why? As a politician.
A politician. Oh, it's a politician.
Oh, okay.
So I am this in my papa.
All right.
My any cover.
Okay. I think say unim may stand on who I support in this particular contest.
That's right.
For a very long time, I'm very bold to say I've been a Baumia fan for a very long time. And the last time my decision was that maybe I don't speak about any other candidate. Nasemba, I decide not to speak about it. Because my strategy is that seminar opportunity say I'm not passing on a big program like Sompa. My focus should be how to promote my candidate, my preferred candidate, and not to dwell on any other candidate. To be very frank with you, from Thursday in our constituency, because Hajia Samira Bameho, and then from Friday, Saturday, throughout Sunday, Miankasa.
Was that your place that comment came?
Which comment?
Sir, ebi mo adidi ame ni ade abusuafo bi mo chire I could create a whole lot of furore. Okay.
So over the weekend, so now me share my delegates. My name is constituency executive. You call rounds, go share your delegates. All in preparation towards
November 4th.
Inti na minta NTA what was going on. Inti enura minya information say me buy. And I'm call say me share what is happening within the system. Na ho na me ko hu a video bi a I think say my friend chairman or can watch me. It's very, very unfortunate. 4th November, Bani Kwakotono. Who can say, people say, is it a make or break for the party? It is a very critical decision, but I don't think say the BC 4th November and they be breaking a party. No, I'm not sure about that. Ordinarily, no, I would have wished Senka the C or Northern region, no, in Sisa. We are candidate. Okanwasem. The offer say as a president, as a candidate. You allow the delegates to
ask questions also.
Then they take a decision. Me who say the vice president actually letter say was suspended the campaign in that part of the area because now Honorable Kennedy so so they wanted to avoid a clash. Say the bay we are on also Kennedy we are me sure say Yoruba me also be. But on the issue of bribe, if I know me busa I'm a chairman. If I go around no,
so chairman Ajiana.
Chairman na I think it's a delegate ni be a friend na ka say chairman. Na unsa ka pick up. Na ho di akose to kwegu na on kan jire obi a. Near the 200,000 account and on country. So I personally called him. I'm saying, chairman. What is the issue? No, so honorable. No crow woman say, Dr. Baobia, mommy, any pickup. Indeed, he said something very interesting. I see all the contestants, no more contesting, 4 of them gave them money.
And it's been proven right. I've spoken to a lot of the chairmen.
He did not even say
they never lie.
Alone. Yeah. In front of the delegates, no catch almost say all the contestants not contesting.
Hold on. What do you mean, Modi? Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Canada, Japan, Alan Chamatin, Akoto, they all gave money.
Yes. And he told me, say,
and 9.
Indeed, your man can say pa crap Dr. Akoto.
He gave 20,000.
Yes. So this issue about bribery ness and say nipa back. I say, you see the impression is created, say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Sika Kaka won in saying Wabemu, he's the vice president.
No, you should buying Sika no to go.
Buying resources
no to go.
Or to go. But indeed, all the other people also give. In fact, Okachem say, Honorable Kennedy, Mianka Samadam Fupa gave him 10,000. Bawumia gave him 10,000. It was only Akoto who even gave more.
More. Or no so for any pathetic.
Absolutely. It is a little bit unfair
to single out
after
one person.
You have also given to come back and single out one person, say, Ono your Mayama pickup, and that is why he won the super delegate election. Me to Abanibi. Me a delegate, me a member of parliament. They be a make same way. Me told me primaries on the 20th of June 2020. The next morning, on the 21st of June 2020, I got a call from Bawumia. Me see the next day after my primaries, I got a call from the vice president.
Primaries?
Yes, 2020.
Na answer now, member of parliament.
Yes, because Bawumia knows. So the constitution is very clear as to who the delegates are. It's anybody who is serious opposite the president. No?
2020 no frail.
21st June.
Otono 20.
Me to 20th June 2020.
The 21st now. Who say we winning no?
I got a call.
No didn't come up.
Absolutely, congratulating me and telling me say my idea it is a background memra na mechian. So he's been engaging me for 3 years. He has been engaging me for 3 years. And as I'm making, you can call most first-time members of parliament. Yes. So me, I was not surprised when members of parliament, majority of us, declared for one particular person, because that person decided, was conscious
of what he wants,
of what he wanted. It's sometimes what to say, yeah, we have been coerced. You're pushing young members of parliament say you support one particular candidate. I laugh over it. Me, Mr. Land Kodoche Martin Freme, called me a month to the super delegate election.
A month?
1 month to the super delegate election.
Was that time?
I met him in his office. We had a very frank and open discussion.
We
had a very frank and open discussion. Me and Kasami Penny Mr. Kennedy, Omanhene Japan. He called me. We had lunch with other first-time members of parliament. At that meeting, I told him, Honorable Kennedy, what surprised me? What surprised me in the sense that I did not even know, say, you wanted to be a president. But the kind of impact I had within this short time, I told him at the meeting. So, Mestre, all the candidates. You see, the point is that after November 4th, the 2024 election, Obi Obekacho say easy election. It's going to be a tough election. And we need everybody. Kennedy, how is he going to campaign at the Fita Kwabrenov?
Yes, all what?
Absolutely. You have to follow me. You have to follow my chairman. You have to follow the constituency executives. No matter what, you have to follow the regional chairman.
Yeah.
No matter your disagreement with him now, you have to go back to him. It's the same way that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, he has to show leadership and find a way of going to Kennedy and bringing him back. So the will fight a particular cause. The enemy, the NDC, enemy in quotes. Yes, enemy in Tokwa. I mean political in America.
Yeah, political opponent.
Let's say utterances. Now let me see, chairman, Asamaba, they are for radio. Also, Unya Kennedy Agabono.
Also, I know the Satama Kennedy cast and the channel. Why you're Hineba, we're good anymore. So I called you bribe. Now, I said, yeah, police for now.
You're a chairman, you don't speak that way. How do you say you are going to beat a presidential candidate? What if Kennedy wins the election? How are you going to work with him? So Kennedy win the election now. What's over Bono? Is it bending? It's an Obia and Manakuma from. I buy a go to you. unless you are a political novice, I will name the outcome of the election.
Really?
The November 4th election.
Yes.
Even Mr. Danto will tell you who's going to win.
Really?
Everybody knows. It's very clear.
It's clear that who is winning.
My candidate is winning.
Bawumia.
Absolutely. And any close contest.
Any close contest.
I'm telling you. Just as happened with the super delegate election. He won every region. In fact, one region graduate Obi Enyebi.
Northeast.
Obi Enyebi.
The home region.
Obi Enyebi. Obi Enyebi kura. He won everywhere. He won Ashanti. He won all the 16 regions. He won the central region. He won the eastern region.
And even won
Western
headquarters.
Region. He won the headquarters. The soul, the spirit of the party is with him now. It's as simple as seasons and times.
Times and seasons.
Yeah, that is how your political. You can't do anything about it.
But what is the clarion cry out say, man fucking amaya and to your pekene Japan no eh?
Abaya Kwakoto is a delegate election.
Na nyet Ghana for na beto abana.
Step by step. You cross one hurdle before you meet Ghanaians. Step by step. So
you don't jump the gun.
You can organize a walk. You can have with my market. Akoye a UPA can you be no obekwa yemo na fans. Bawumia baby no obis if we etiaze ka se Bawumia ba swame. No. Get the point. So as for the pulling the crowd, there's not a problem. It is any part about almost 250,000 people. It we are walking in 10,000 bar. What is the percentage of that 10,000, 250,000?
Are they all even?
That's the point I'm making. It's make us say
delegates.
They say they here Kasade. We may take Honorable Kennedy or expose some very, very interesting policies.
Mm-hmm.
I think he can hammer on that. And no, I'm telling you, we'll get him more votes. It will get him more votes. But so I say, all chairman, MPs now are in line. Yako Jessica, iti minia. Obiama me pick up. Nobody has given me a pickup. And so if you incite me, okay, say your mama pick up. It's I'm called man Dr. Mamu Baumia. Now chairman say chairman will pick up. Not chairman ko constituency, not constituency for delegate ni bogun so hey. What could you pick up now on Ganjre no? What could you 200,000? You are inciting him against his people. Yes. And no I'm sure say a trigger chairman no so went to me nyabotra and confrontation no. Mestre say we have just less than 12 days to go to a very big day in the history or in the calendar of the political party MPP. Ajobrel. Ajobrel. Everybody come. Abaye you call ya out no ko jina baby. Time no so ne kan ya kan wie.
It's for you it's excoction and done.
My gut feeling tells me that Dr. Baumia is going to be our next leader.
All right. PV Jantua. The campaign so far. Any casa free mubane near Toma Mamintio PV.
Okay.
We end this in so definitely. Okay, be a
I mean, Dana or expressing the concerns be about limited registration is a car obo ending, but
but I'm told tomorrow you are going to be a resource person at CDD's program. Oh, okay, that's wonderful. Congratulations.
Elections, young one. And
I'm so be super.
I'm Brabona, you're bullying if you know any requirement.
And what I do about that's wonderful. Our PV too.
Say MPP party na me two din me say aye enkambo no bi din Ajirengano
so what you say
Ajiregu oh we say
my goodness
2007 economy about 17
understanding
now they are very healthy
yes
so time we heard the caliber of people now on national executives now no more firm grip on the party
okay
but as you look at it now and this and Adea back on meti nipa pia especially MPs nipa pia omo root for Dr. Baumia. Nobody is talking about his qualities.
His qualities?
Yes. say or a competent way, but they are talking about his human relationship.
Okay.
Or frame me, or can say frame me, or frame me 2 years ago. One man didn't come right. And to me, my dream, actually say, as one share will be on and maintain a relationship for over a period of time. It is a one to me, Yardin will be a magic and not any penny bits me. They are basing everything on relationship and they build over a period of time. And our money idea then.
Rather than competence.
Very good. Because we maybe our my baby do say yeah. And I be some people question be say. Let's assume say Baumia Mahama. And I will run a series of lectures from 2014, 15, 16. Distinguished speaker. Okay, can now. But I could be a self-raising the committee. I was in 18 months in an Akufado's administration. No community or family will have water and toilet problem. Okay, can we see now? And then you have a big baby I did. Yedri. And I was say, my son will be under my sleeves. And the moment man may I didn't hear. A day by someone come back.
So yeah, Mahama.
The business will be into my memoir. And you know, car at free echo. Not driver refuse with your break na or better hand break here. Anyone about
ditch.
You better ditch. Because one now set one more up. Let's say unity any party will be. Bibia have broken down. And it will be very difficult. Power. So Dr. Baumia winning and I can't win. They can come together as one. Because any amount of the a very difficult. Very difficult one. Pa uno mkana so mo kan anyeguso. Oh ye wi a bit makambo but nemo omde aye wo mo hono. E serious. Pa ade ba kon e save wo kakra say. Dr. Baumia ensure na obi a won so e ka san sem ni bi.
Okay.
Okay. No ko ani ade a say dey dey.
A save wo.
Yes. But
kono so yes a hok no bia.
Na senso also on kasenti na ire so atiesim. E no so kasama ni kunu. Enti no hwe nyina na ya yesa se de ade na tifri yentwen se eda autopilot to mu nyina ne de enko. It's almost the same thing as what happened in 1979. When I'm going to Congress or Kofodia Hotel France Erodek. Now between Pauli and Victor Usu. Sani Manabai. And sa 10 line unim. Ademwa Baba Pimne. A free Vitosi Pauli and about Edubuahin and the Kofoso. A free Edubuahin and Kofono. Neba Kofone Akufado.
Akufado. Achema.
Alane a friend.
Akufado.
Yes. This is in a Ashif to Kwa.
Canadian Baumia.
And you know, it appears that Omanhene man manage Omanhene way. When and this is for we have succeeded in doing one thing. You push Omanhene party I can party. And at this time, no Omanhene should be no man say Ombe prove you wrong. And I go first assume we na blow no. And people wanted to prove NDC wrong some party and I can party. But this time you did not remember. But Omanhene you know say BBB a SARS year 2008 no a twin child.
A baby bay.
Dear Shansi Alancha Martin, a consider your friends, Emma Nana Manakoye. Nana statement over a period of time, one after the other. The car when a back of focus them now. Or more if you say they have to manage Sadian. Because Alan Regina or Sabayan. Nipa ultimately convinced the man by a Nana Kufado. Made him so on the class from a new bay 8 or more corner almost about 2 a.m. Yes. Who guy as I told you that one over catch. And no woman, I go fast me about. It's yeah game plan there. It has almost we are almost 80%.
That's a most said than I must say.
So almost got further about me the bus is here. Omanhene, you very cost effective campaign. We only need to buy 275 say I'm for conscience be and come on there. 275 projectors. Sinin kwa ni beyi.
Mubeyi sini.
Sinin kwa.
Ade.
Na Dr. Baumia so ka yin na. Eno na ye ba Boakye no. Ye musana 170 questions ni bi o. Assembly o kan ye bia ene ayede.
Na money MPP co contest. Sir Dr. Baumia bana mo ba winia. I na mun kama nun tum no ma na mun wini.
I can't to my or my grand cousin. So you can't almost 1 year soon. You can't almost 1 year soon. Almost baby.
So the strategy is yen can moment cast you soon nom the naba.
Yeah, my can say marriage is the only war where you have to sleep with the enemy.
Marriage is the only war where you have to sleep with the enemy.
And you know, yes, I come not to him say 1 year. But make them say, Monto Abana Mammy. Men are making me a bitty Mahama. That's the situation with you. My bitty Mahama twice. Herbal mention. So tell them, and they say, you my bitty Mahama twice, you. Eh? Dr. Bame says, Monto Abana for me. One can only bit my gun at you.
Or so on a bit from
Mahama showdown. Now bitty Mahama, we are now man why you because why bitty it twice? 1 million back on 500 back on. So maybe I do my baby say. And you know, Nancy can insist in Biaso. Just for the only reasons I want to be to Mama. And I'm not to get you. Of a slammy, or frame, and I'm frame, and I'll me say, ah. Now, when will be any sort of some show money be ya. And so this was I'll be if you ever heard the
now, how do you also see Kennedy? And then the campaign.
Or shall say, or shall say, no, will be a ninja day in the so. Space can on the man, where you should space in here. Space can on the man. What touch the nerves of the grassroots? Is there a small can say, I'm po, say, I'm pow, almost yes. As I will say, Sabby, what the evidence which a man watch on.
Ah, Lord,
I don't man can just over.
Sure. This is it.
Yes. Man, who I go pretend I was it.
But not Shreno.
Yes.
Emma Chama Dango Maboni Trim.
Yes, because one of the challenges or evidence of onion day.
Famra.
And to now with John and walk up in even with you. Who's been fighting and show what you show. It has all bois and I say a day or more. And one can say, who Dango Mano, why did you? Was a chama for Nippy, Domia day, Domo. Yet you come her. Ni pe boa ma mo wene mo lessons e do baby go for them so o mu mo e visible for na kan dia only up was wo ye enko for me na me ba kuma se turen me na me yesi ah na senya o mo ne ba o me ayi a e friends issues ya se nko mo wene asen off can you grab one asen off easily because asen off na se na kan asen central no bibi e won ko mu bia no wona ye
Kennedy.
But one person woman a push woman candidate you know. Again, because a game plan a year Juma 434.
Mobile for 434
your button on my age one turn a year Juma if you are he said Bibia Kato Manu.
Bibia Kato.
Apart from so short that about me go and before one who be baby. Would you miss first time baby and Shunka? One who be baby.
This was because the evidence he was showing.
Yes, because nobody is talking about say your person you trust kwa anymore. Nipa na ye dene ba no or what it takes obetimi dia ko. And one say good relationship.
Na
ba ma kwa France Omanhene. When we dey fan chop money kwa obetimi ko so na fan bi.
So say.
When we dey fan odo no na de bia fa du baby chop money kwa.
Obemuna.
Da bi. You better baby no that's our relationship na season na for you and you make them you do the real idea enti dia wo ma ye wo hu ne dia a very difficult it's one part in baby do answer say em say call factory settings
omo party no
MPP party no
e ko he
e ko factory settings wo the uhe ade ne sha ase no no be ebu ni aguso ala film ne se mo kan na uhe bote jaku statement or de ba ya en se ma hyenko fo mu no.
So what about those who are silent and waiting to show the party at the ballot?
So, and if any piece so a privy to maybe I then. The ACC is only going to confirm Niamana, no matter say any no crown. Yes, so unfortunately, say, Omakran executive, who you me for could be a free one. Omakano will be a Bibia. Because could be about me or a friend won't to me. Was once Ubia Mumidin cancer.
Yeah.
Because me name say me support we and now we.
Yeah.
Yeah. Obi amon din ka sem.
Obi so emphasis no. And he told them.
Yeah.
That stay away.
We hwe ne ma sisi wo aseno. No. Kuma we na say aseno. Fa na ala ka say o mo de obi betwam.
Asenof.
Yes. Ni na entweye. Entweye ba kokora sa de we MPP pa sa de we timisi mu me kom jo na mentase. Hola sale mano na fe da ide afema up. So tas ma kan dikan. O so ba no mo de ayi bi first steps bi ababi sheni mo. O sa ade we die. Ko fo idi na wo mutim. O se me na mo de ye me a. Ni je wono wo twen se bibi ka clear bi be de e be shi. Na wo de articulate ne nema we de. We ne ko se o ko ba bia wo hye ni pani bi kura wo mo nya MPP form so ye kan di ba on be de.
Beto man. No, euphoria be keke, and I said they mean it.
Sure, the other go any say, MPP of my we performance this year. And then some kind of brosa on one by which is here. And any people no more by more most air than air can any abana conduct tibia. It's some stuff. Me, I don't even say, Kushia baby. Obishia, a friend, lectures, oh, Ejimo, Nami Obi, the corporate example. I have any problem with Dean Communina. What makes you think, say, the capacity of building over the years? I would think the managing the workers about 10,000 plus. Obey me the NY then.
I be economy.
I'm managing Nipatali 3 million. Also, I did be ano ne microcosm next day. Said Ubishi then.
I got to acquire any case.
And it appears as who say Ghana, your problem is ABCD. Even though we hold a different view there. But within MPP in India, said Dr. Baumian Sheye. Omanhene, I confirm from Nema.
Kennedy can win.
I'm telling you.
All right.
Baby, I didn't come on. And in seminar APP banner, I will be intimate down for explanation behind the day. Mano, na party no unity, I break it down. There is another Omoda autopilot of Kwan or Meden or Mokono. A dangerous for them.
Tommy Brown, what's
it? Yeah, Matthew.
Jantua.
When you're paying Jantua now, the Americans are Banasa.
Abasa. Eh, Obinyo. Abasa. Abasa.
Mr. Jantua of the NDC. Taking me through a lesson of unity, party unity. Abasa. Say, and then Mr. Jantua. I'm even out. Or
party unity.
Party unity. The NDC say omu tibi chere party unity. Na basa. That's how they make it.
Na Dr. Pabu Babem.
This is a political party whose founder's wife, the political party he belongs to, the Ote party, the founder's wife, the former first lady, it's in Ote party for. And so now it's unity. And I'm say Abasa, the founder JJ Rawlings, the NDC party no, the Democrats no, form another political party. But even that, they were able to come together. Into saying, yeah, and I can't answer. And now, Mr. Jantua bet now I say there's no unity in our party.
Or say I break it down. Just say big credible.
Or say President Kufuor say. We are Kufuor the beba. And now Kufuor.
Or say Kufuor the Kufuor
Kufuor say Kufuor catch they say oh after me What happened in 2008? Akufo-Addo had Nisi Akujano without a contest.
He won.
The constitution, Article 13. The election of the party's presidential candidate. Once election, bam, should tell you, say, Obi catch or say me through now bar. It's a hoax. The constitution is there will be an election.
So there will be contestants.
There will be a contest. Just ask Mr. Alan Kodoche Martin. Contested Akufo-Addo in 2008, contested him again in 2012,
and contested him in 2014.
Fantastic. So it's a contest. It's a look
at Adea also on the beba uncle. One chayama when in
one person Maria T. Fa. That doesn't work that way. The party never signed it. It is again to work as a party never because Obi catch Obi.
This is a firm Ajigano.
Because as at now we are going into a contest.
Okay.
And the heat of the moment, no, in Kofor cancer, and not gonna do any Atomos contest.
Fonka. The Fonka game.
Some can simply be a Fonka for Kaye. A month or a bit or one cast or more and this in one. Ah, Mr. Gantua. Krumha. Busa Francis Esiam. Or sorry, I could also go never become sorry.
Koforia 2006
in Ghana. Yes. And I'm say Abasa. A contest here and a BBI discussion about policy, about direction. And can be anymore. Mr. Jantua can also see here support by me. You buy and can the competence. Any quality of him. No, I say. I dear Bakwa Dr. Baumia want to say. He is not behaving like the others. Temperament.
Okay.
He himself, and I'm making or say me no yaba any quality of Dr. Baumia. But he himself, he is praising the temperament level of Dr. Baumia.
Yeah.
I say he's not speaking like that.
And a leader should be of highest temperament.
That is an important quality of a leader.
Able to have shock absorbers.
I'm not catch said John Mahama can accommodate a lot of things. They say it all the time. They say it all the time. That is a quality for John Mahama. How can't it be a quality for Baumia? How? You yourself, you are espousing Papa no the qualities. Also, you buy younger quality as him. As for the 2024, they be a mechanic now for this for. Oko contest. Then the power on the Kwako Preno. In his mind, of course, we're in area is the best strategy for us. They should continue. We share this in Libya. Oh, when people may lose where we cry. May lose where we cry. No problem. In 2016, Mamenkobo tips what they said about Akufo-Addo. He can never be president. Akufo-Addo can never. He was not born to be president. He's a president. It's not what you say on radio. And they decided whether the man becomes a president or not. The decision lies with the delegate, the Ghanaian people. And just as they decided in 2016, a decision will be made in 2024. A decision will be made in 2024. Now, economy inflation, because who told you the election will be fought on only inflation? This particular election. A candidate. When we get our candidate, we are packaging a message. Now, I always I just want to. I just want to see Adea. John Mahama, His Excellency. Not Dr. Mahmoud Baumia
on the debate.
On the debate. I'm just waiting for that day, Keke. I just want to relish it. But I'm sure with TV, Keke. Then the two big men, let them stand 1 hour, 2 hours. Let's have a debate. And let's see the intellectual capacity of both, the vision of both. Let's see. Let's see. Who vice president Waba? Every problem in the government is attributed to the vice president, who's the assistant, and not the main man himself. That should tell you who Dr. Baumia is.
So
everything in Ghana.
Yes, Baumia.
Yes, Baumia.
Say because of the things he said, proud to becoming the person he is now.
Should that not tell you, said then it means he was the face of the campaign.
Okay.
That's how powerful he is. Oh no, your vice, he was the face of the campaign. That's how powerful he is. And issues about records near the end, Mr. Janton was here. There will be a time when this debate will happen. I mean, in the media debate, and we'll pick it one after the other, from sports to education to health. We'll pick it. You be discussing those issues. And I can tell you, say, when the time comes, you will see what will happen. For now, only the after 12 days, you go to Yaba. You go your presidential candidate. Your party, you go through very turbulent times now.
That's right.
A few months to a general election, the chairman and the secretary were even put aside. But we won the election.
2016.
We won the election. I didn't see NDC Muda. I didn't pay NDC Muda. And I'm saying Abanisa.
2006, Obeda Samoa and the rest. But they also won the election.
They won the election. Abanisa.
The turbulence where when
you are going for an election, and you say you see people speaking because I saw projecting as the best alternative. There's nothing wrong with that. And then last we take Kennedy or Council Meniaje. I say my party in Munda. That is a patriot. That is a true patriot. Also, bet them the ills no be mentioned so that we all forge ahead. You think that in Japan, your opposition obey. He not here. He can say all that he wants to say, but your opposition guys obey. He is better off in an MPP government than being opposition. And I tell you, you're talking about where we are, whoever wins this party. We've done it before. We are going to show the way. Unity need the ebaba. We are there and there'll be cracks here and that said the NDC for the same thing happened to Mr. Janto's party. Mr. Omu, the founding father, the state party, Acting could say the political party.
Funka Games.
Contesting an election.
2007.
So what are we talking about?
Cracker.
So what are we talking about? On what say no? The founder no kwate no. On any anything no. Na wa o founder. On any dampaso. Na founder no ko NDC rally. Na ne ko ono so rally a. Hoda eno ni unity no. But they were able to come together.
So for you, this is a story.
This is just say, minyaya kenyesa.
But Abasa.
And you make us say, and no thing.
MPP for are very good at repackaging a used material. Yes, sure. From 2016, 15, ban. Why know what temperament equivalent?
Yeah.
It's not in Segunechi. Mekoswa sra saying no me about me. Yeah, packaging the number. I only made mention of it, sir. So no can be a guy. But I say no.
But that's the quality you have.
Yes, yeah, Bio, and yes, Subano, yeah, packaging. Said you want to go for the better diary. Let me check what him when him. Quiet. Nam sitting none of follow Mahuno. Then sat down and say, you move by the person from over by the person who are Fapio tenant, a channel. And I sat down Kofokum, when you are going to Mahu. The same thing on me about me when you are but Bruce Chain, I didn't ask.
Obey to me now.
And yes, I said, baby, a friend, I said, oh, what you know, start wedding. The way
your joke, I say, do time I saw a picture of Mr. Mahama or door. It would defeat him. Any packaging.
I
said, oh, just so you humble.
Yeah, be humble. Oh, your president, who was on door.
I know, or my muscle. Oh, yeah. Why it's an apple? So, yeah, it's about me. I see, never nipper back one. Why no amphibian?
Why I know amphibian?
Never we are.
Are they?
So you kiss on you.
Oh, come on. He just want to show unity.
He went Ifrio.
I'm feeling
why I said I said to go a Christopher and came of one Babacan. Abomu. But if you be a something to move, young Konda. And the Simon, why I said, Omu Paquetino, why I asked him, Gabano. If you be a Bacumbia, something to move, and rank and move, young Konda. You know, was about good one, yes, I didn't.
Mammy, your idea be as yeah, the Bible say. You were some Pasica promo. Na omo was kebi omodema yemrante no ya bo amatra se yaw ba enteu
eja no po bia mfa ne phone no na
loto
twa bia na
me tell baby
baby chot
Baby, I was 44 phone na dale star 256 star 3 hash
star 256 star
6 star
3 hash.
I dialysis ya.
O dale abe o
o dale ya no ebe ma Tarawan ye media houses ni na Sompa Kumase Sompa Sunyan Sompa Nkransa no what choose Sompa Kumase.
Okay.
O press Sompa Kumase no a ebe to 5 Ghana cedis.
5 Ghana.
And pay me chebe me chebe fancy be 500 Ghana na Abuja CCA me che 500 Ghana na
Abuja go to dial star 256 star 3 hash no
3 hash Sompa Kumase
no I choose Sompa Kumase and no na 5 Ghana
at 5 Ghana no
why e be pick o number no wa win
o number be pick no wa win na automatically system no
ascend the sika no dia brel
abegu phone
so within your tier ya betom sisi ya
so utimi ya entire hia ne say is
I'm fast right
over darling
where so I bet taxi
bet
10% bet
ayo momo we momo ni na da so
ucha biara. All right, star 256
star 256
3 hash
star 3 hash ai intidali ima yanko na yen select number no system
everybody
sisi and the system be pick number no sisi to bo say numbers ne be roll ya wa de no e be pick no
o dial star 256 star 3 hash
ai
now I call everybody Tarawan Sompa Kumasi Sunyane Nkranza
yes
obviously chusu
Sompa
Kumasi
yes
etu chusu ya no
eto 5 cities
eti omu roli ya no ebetima gina
nti wa o number na begina wo so no
500 garwadi
automatically na system na send e dey aba
asa no pay unya 500 Ghana
Indiano pay o the best 30 week ni
are you ready
o the best 30 week ni ye pa no pay nti
you have to 500 Ghana no pay easy
I would na system
okay Mamini jacket to be racist here. Great man's be Chinese truck spare parts and omodi abedwaso. Obe hu omo Sunyane inside magazine. Brekum magazine so ye ho. And Kumasi Swami Macro. Ye na kwesi upon SHSD hwanimu. Ye was Shackman F3000 headlight. Filters half seal. And ye wheel no. And so any wheel bolt so. Ye were brake bands, brake pot back, brake pot front, oil bath. Ye were V-bar, whole headlight. Shackman H3000 headlight, need tail light. Engine housing, whole brake drum, springs, surpriser bar. Whole side no tracks, any Shackman tracks ni nyina no. Aye crowd wa. Bibia opese toja biano. Ebe toja e the amount. Bomarding Fred. Almost a CR was 0242 633 091. Obi awene. Hey.
Number now winning no any.
Number now winning you say.
0591
0591
91 71 00. Aye. Number we winning anopai eno no.
Number winning you say.
0591
0591
91 71 00. Aye. Ono na winning CCA system no apeke no 0591 91 71 00 0591 91 71 00. Aha, enti eno any number where we need CCA.
Jumo friend pano. No I confirm say 500 na to mo.
Say ebia obetimanya be 250. Na ebia second one so run another 250 per code.
Ah, so check 500. Tebia bitima ko nipa foforo so.
Aha.
Second one so aba.
And the second one so
na no one fa na.
On for
okay.
It will
Sika
number no. It's already Kenya 250 250 Ghana.
Oh dear. When you 250 no pay.
Second number so. Second number.
And I also now to move on here. Okay, the great must be number near 0242 633091. Bomodina so betimi akọ na wakokoto Shackman spare pass na bibia the dimpa natural health. Bomodina also dear emanent na so abred dimpa natural health for. You was second floor Walla Star was the Chemsu Kumasia Kanemensia health insurance dynamo. Your number is 0245 118434. Second one alpha. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Yeah, can I say?
Yami Abdom na answer.
Yeah, Kashi bi abegu phone so.
The part of Bakama.
Eba say.
The part of 250.
Chai. Yak. I don't pay me and I'm trying lie do to so we are it me share with you all time. All right. This I carry there. Hey, this is real. It's so real.
Aye.
Within seconds.
Now.
Wow. I see. It's back on the episode number. Later, who said, who try and Abia. And to say, Freddie Power 0245 118434 and 0246 744 744. A bar say also dear. Miso drink no yaw mixed fruit near war. A mango so yaw 5G so our honma that energy that it gives you no manager Daniel 21st clinic and overseas be kind supermarket to be to about post office Mama Esther so Outcome Royal Ventures Baptist University and Anomani Tide Station APNC Ventures na such enterprise as for Binchi post office opposite VIP Park Bomodina Fresh 0246 270221 open do support na omo the promotion susu nam krom etu share omo aduma na hu say miso anasa 5G a GB kofie na bibia nkoyi 0246 270221 Kwakwachi company wo Eastern Region Koforia and a KF Kunju Enterprise Shell in China and Rome Hotel and in this animu and so obenya bi ato ewo honomo na bibia adadin kama e de amount mama ma beja for and wrap it up na sana no mama hwe birthday quickly na yenko Tony Sack Electronics so ya sene me the birthdays no eba omo the property products abedwa so property electronics no papa obehu yan ewo sunyane Cocoa board runabout ye ne 08 terminal ne di hwanimu Spintex so your depot kese Kumasi mienu sisi a New Melcom Kumasi dan kese na ben pick and pay no your beer showroom a property electronics near Maguo Samsung na Wesley Metals Usani a triangle no ye ndi hwanimu your number no 0500309309 property electronics papa na Gadana Hamilton on so musa ens fan stamp so wajiatum and na Zara Achedie Eduba Bimpe, the birthday. Zara Achedie Eduba Bimpe of Lovely Brothers Academy Aguna. Afei Corporal Nancy Ajekumwa and then so ya wawoda Corporal Nancy Ajekuma Sofoline Police Station. Hey, Corporal Hofe. From Adea Akye Abia of Sompa. Okay. Ama Kunadu. Kwame Ananeso Maltin Kwanewa Oda. To my beautiful daughter, Lordina Opoku, is coming from your mom. And then Ransford Kwaku Prempe of All Nation University. From your father, Nana Prempe of Kayitia. Wishing you all the best. Okay. Yeah, wrap it up. Maminte will find out what's now for you.
2024 is about intellectual capacity. And we be sir. Well, there back when you knew MP before. Adea Akye Abia before one more finish. Intellectual capacity, and I had my influence, baby. I intellectual ability. Now we are going to talk about pragmatic solutions, sir. A bit in the Ghana.
But so far, you have not given an easy pragmatic
solution
to the problem right now. But NDC, you are not giving us any pragmatic solution. Tell us something. Election is when? 18 months.
18 months.
Almost 40.
You're more about 3 minutes to full time go, ma. Yeah, Bobo.
Extra time.
3 minutes. Extra time go 2 goals.
Over to said 2 goals. Does that Arsenal to teach Chelsea dear?
Before in Chelsea, okay, baby, yeah, to Damia. Me and Mijan, Yentum Coco.
Wow, Tiasi.
What time is you now? What do you to Coco? It's no more baby on Pampe.
Tiatu Coco.
Nana wa cousin na ko do Martin. One wa ko wan sam bi mu jeri afa ko mso eden akambo. Time na wati no ko na ne ba esa wo hefa.
E wo party ni.
E wo party.
Na ne kunukura wo.
Eti two different zone. Mu de kwase bo na ba mu. Ene ne kwase ni ate. So, eti mu de ande me say. I so obi a esi achi na odaji. Eduro be no be no.
Anti-retroviral drugs no be baba.
Anyway. Na me kan asema na won tia se hwe baby o me de o man ba bedrin en na ye twelo to mpensa dako he se wo fo bi ko be son da ye se kwasi ko twelo abadi a loto no den na utwa se utwa no pawu se utwa na wieu se utwa ni na na kufo do ade
okay about
one factory any loto se tia no pa boy na loto ko ni person na be na 5 cities e twe be na park
awa fo twa pa ba me see na wo de
one wa ye semu a Mr. Janto e tia na no me say
Mr. Janto me tell us ba me tie no
me say ye nyom nkemofo no wo man fo mo nchia na moya yewu
e chia be
wo se wo hie nyom nkemofo na ayi fo na e friends ye nyom hazwa fo ya no wa fro ko lafia
na se lafia lo
lafia ye slow madalo wa chelo wo mo pedem kakama nko ha
ti lafia high
se tu ko ni ba unia ahun ti o mi ba die
lafia lo lo
nkemofo ya mo
e nkemofo no jalo lafia de lafia high
ansa gane yewu
NDC already I was say ya to
na mo idie
say ya to ba ni bie bie ko
mi nya ko onya se bia
What about in Kasa 1 minute? Abu Dhabi aba this man in Kasa medum the
what they know
mic
best to tell you what the problem is and who to blame for it.
but not the solution.
Oh, Ubusano, a very important question. Say, Makasasa, we have 14 months to election. Almost just one policy alternative. Oh, Mr. Janto,
That's happening to you with your Kasa.
What's it? Football. What's the football?
Last hour, I want to be sure go.
On the policy, remember?
Last hour.
On the 5th of December 2020. That's it. Then I thought you. So policy remember 5th December. You don't. Oh, just okay. Show us your alternative. You see. Who to me show even one policy alternative. The only man said this is the problem. This is the man to blame for, but no solution. That the muka no. Any populist a black akwe. Shade a black akwe maybe. And no the radio so and I saw the phone free home order for my bed. You saw monko, monko populist. So the full statement. Is it true?
Yeah.
So why was he lying? Why? The mopa no na camera see so. Na social media picking. Hey, abandon me pay for asem. Omo so the phone nya omo so monko. Hey. That is all you do. No solution. Oh. That is all they do. populism sa 5th December you better 5th December you better me say 5th December no 5th December you better